Hello, boys and girls. Okay, how are you doing? Okay, good. I am doing pretty good as well. Okay, good. So, the last video clip we were talking about numbers and I focused on using the student book. So, today we will continue with numbers, but we will use the grammar book. Maybe even the workbook. We'll see if there's enough time. Okay, so turn to page number 4 and 5 in the grammar book. And so, as you can see here, in the English alphabet there are 5 letters called vowels. These letters are A, E, I, O and U. You see them there, the five vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, E, I, O and U. Okay, and then the other 21 letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. So these consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, excuse me, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? Now, let's look at this. What is a question word? So, question word is what. It comes at the start of a question. So, for example, what is, or if we use contractions, what's. What's, same as what is. So, what is your name? What is your phone number? Okay? The book already also repeats what I just taught you. Contractions, what equals what is. And then we have a note. So please note, don't forget to write a question mark. Question mark. I don't know what it's called in Thai, but in English, a question mark at the end of a question, and a period, just a dot, at the end of an answer. So when you ask a question, you will end the sentence with a question mark. And when you answer a question, you will end the answer with a period, a dot. Okay? Do you understand? I think most of you understand. Good. So now let's go to exercise number 1. Complete the words with vowels. So, number 1 here, the letter 0. You have Z and then R and then So, please complete the word. Okay, number 2 here is number 1. So you have a blank, N and a blank. So finish that word, please. Number 3 here is number 2. And you have a T, a W, and then you have a blank. So TW, Okay, number 4. I'm sure this is easy for you, but I'll go through it slowly just in case there are some students that has a hard time understanding this. But anyway, number 4 is the letter 3. 3 is spelled THR and then blank blank. So what letters do you put in there? And lastly, number 5, the letter 4. You have gotten the F and then you have 2 blanks. And then lastly an R. So F blank blank R. F R. Okay. Then B exercise here, complete the words with consonants. So the A was with vowels, you need to put in vowels. B is put in consonants. So you have the letter 5, you have a blank, then you have I, blank, and E. So what letters do you put in these blanks? Sorry, change the camera. Okay, and then exercise number 2 is number 6. Number 6. So you have a blank, then I, and then another blank. Exercise number 3 is the letter 7. You have a blank first, and then E. Sorry. So a blank, E, another blank, another E, and then a last blank. So 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And number 4 is number 8, the letter number 8. You have gotten the E and the I, and then you have 3 blanks. And lastly, have number 9. So you start with a blank, then I, then another blank, and lastly E. So fill in the missing letters. And then let's go to page number 5. So complete the sentences. Okay, so these sentences are not complete. You need to use one of these words to put in these sentences to complete the sentences. Okay, so number 1, blank, your phone number. You have your number, what is, and it is. What word do you put in here? Then answer, it is 053 507 0860. Okay, so continue and do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then because we're running out of time, so D, we'll quickly go over D. Rewrite the words in order to make questions and answers. Write a question mark or a period. So it's a word scramble. Word scramble, they are not in the correct order. You need to put them in the correct order on the line. Write them in the right order. So your, what is, number, and then blank. And blank, at the blank you need to put in either a question mark or a period. Do you remember I told you about that before? A question ends with a question mark, and an answer ends with a period, the dot. Okay, so the blank represents either a question mark or a dot. So please unscramble these words on these sentences. So write the words in the correct order to make the correct sentence. Okay, and then I will check later. All right, good job. I'm sure this is not too difficult. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.